I have used both Windows and Linux operating systems, and I believe that I can give a very impartial overview and a perspective of which one currently has the advantage today. Now, Windows started in 1985. It released its first system back then, while Linux began 6 years afterwards. I used Windows NT, Windows 95, Windows 98, and what impressed me about these OSs was the ease of use that they came with. There was no undue need for security. The response time to boot up was fast, and there was no complicated process by which you had to take an IT course to undertake. As Windows began to do upgrades, I noticed that they changed their security, and my guess it was in response to the increase in viruses, notably the Y2K bug and subsequent other forms of malware. Now in Windows 2000 I didn't see an extra change where security was concerned. Where I did notice the marked change in security was after Windows 7. Well, I was a Windows Vista fan until I got used to 7. Everybody loved Windows 7 because of its simplistic design and its ability to work with most, if not all, operating systems and applications. The security wasn't as robust as it became in operating systems past Windows 7. And we're at a stage now where Windows 10 and Windows 11 have some of the most complicated security mechanisms there are. And Windows 11 is not even remotely secureless. It is just as security conscious as an army base, and I think that is why most people are becoming less attracted to the operating system and are going in favor of more secureless operating systems such as Mac OS and Linux, which have retained their ability to remain less secure while allowing the user to still have access to their files, documents, and the freedom. So that is where Windows is losing everyone right now. They have added extra features, they have added more tasks, they have added more graphics, but it has come at the cost of security. The user no longer feels that they own the device they are working with, and that's one of the drawbacks of owning a Windows computer. Linux, on the other hand, though they don't have the flexibility of Windows, they still retain the ability to make the user feel a part of the experience. And I want to tell you that Linux, they allow you to install applications free of cost. They allow you to immerse yourself in the experience, and they allow you to be a user. They don't try to control your movements. So that's where I think Linux has the edge. Many more people are going to recognize the benefits of Linux and start to port their information to the operating system. And if Windows doesn't recognize this need quickly, a lot more people are going to start boycotting the OS altogether and go for a less secure system.